Trump's the mother Trumper.
Hey guys, what's going on? Drake Matthew here. Today I have some absolutely amazing quick scoping for you guys, and some hard scoping and some RPGing and whatever. But anyways, this is just absolutely so cool. I had to show you. I swear to God, I actually thought somebody on my team had aimbot because I was doing so perfect. But really, they didn't. It was just my skill. I'm awesome. And make sure you like, rate, comment, subscribe, and make sure you like and enjoy the music. There's that really cool knife. I just want to say, watch these two headshots that are coming up. I'll play the music directly after this. One headshot. This is why I thought I had aimbot. Watch this. Another one. But anyways, I die here. But anyways, make sure you enjoy the music. Peace. I'm out.
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned your doubt into hope, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying, to keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord. Where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you. Where are you now that I need you? I need you, I need you, I need you. I need you the most.
Shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play.
Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say,